Hi, I'm Stu with TERRO, and this morning I want to talk to you about fleas. I've got a cat. I love my cat, but yeah, and occasionally my cat comes into the house with fleas. Not all the time. Fortunately, about 20 years ago, 25 years ago, there was a revolution in flea control. No longer were we spraying carpet, spraying our whole house, shampooing pets every month. Believe me, it was a pain. No, we could use these small, discreet spot-ons on the pet, and bingo, that would eliminate fleas for sometimes a season, but certainly month by month. Really, really effective flea control. So if you've got a pet and you don't want fleas, start at the vet and work those products. But occasionally, you may forget to apply that spot on, or you may run out before the season's really over, and you may suddenly be scratching your ankle and realize that there's been a breakthrough and there's been a flea in there. So I'm going to show you the TERRO Flea Trap. It's simply a heat source which attracts fleas. It's on the ground. Generally, they'll fall into a carpet off the pet. They'll be attracted to this. They'll jump on looking for that heat source. They'll get attached to the glue strip. And then what we do is we just leave this on, and we'll come check on it occasionally, and we'll place it possibly where the cat is eating, someplace sort of out of the way. Last season, we noticed 6 or 7 of them on there, and we realized that we hadn't put the spot on the cat, and we got back on track. So the TERRO Flea Trap, really, it's that early detection. It can come in really handy and eliminate something becoming a big problem and nip it in the bud.